All right, Mr. Jules Wong, it seems that we were finally able to fit on the frame.
Yeah, two of us in one vision. Also, the recording setup here is just amazing. We could have risked damage to our Airbnb.
This is our Airbnb in Barcelona, boots on the ground, and we've started with a couple of issues. Mr. Wong's bag got stolen.
Bag got stolen, don't remind me.
But we've already went shopping, got him some clothes, and there is a lot of content coming from MWC. So I'm Jaime Rivera.
I'm Jules Wong with Pocketnow, and this is what we're looking forward to in Barcelona, brought to you by Invisible Shield.
I guess the most important theme of this show is definitely going to be 5G. We've seen Qualcomm teasing everything the company has done. We have a standard, we've got carriers, we've got cell phone OEMs already committing. The only problem is that even though we've got carriers like AT&T already announcing cities where 5G is going to launch by the end of the year, we actually don't have smartphones that are ready. And we're not expecting these smartphones to be announced at MWC. We're expecting that to happen later this year. But at least we will be covering what 5G will be capable of whenever the spectrum and everything else is ready.
So, in terms of wearables, if there's anything to report, we'll give it to you. Unfortunately, we haven't heard anything in terms of rumors for this show. But for Huawei, they have a couple of tablets or laptops coming in. The MediaPad series that they've been working on for quite a few years now has been pretty excellent. And as well, we also got teased something with the X. Could be another MateBook X. They had one last year. We'll have to see if this year brings an iteration on that.
Definitely Sony is one of those companies where I personally have been wanting them to make a comeback. We've seen them make their lukewarm appearances in the past couple of events, but MWC is apparently going to change everything. We saw their new Xperias at CES. Those were the premium mid-range offerings. Now we have rumors of the Xperia XZ2 and XZ2 Compact. The fact that the company is not going to back down when it comes to design, but we're also seeing some chubby leaks of phones. And hey, I'm the first one that says I would rather get a chubby phone with good battery life, and I'm hoping that's where Sony is taking things. Obviously, the most important thing is what will Sony bring that's different, not just the typical slab, and that's really what we can't wait to answer in part of our coverage.
So in terms of other phone manufacturers, well, we do have plenty of meetings to get to, and we'll wait to tell you what these entail. But look forward to announcements from Alcatel, BlackBerry, ZTE, Asus, and Lenovo in the coming week.
And definitely the most important topic for MWC in Barcelona is the Samsung Galaxy S9. We are happy that it's making a return to Barcelona. In the past, we know it happened after the Note 7 and then the launch of the S8 that happened late. This year, yes, we're expecting beautiful design. We're expecting Samsung to do something about its software. Most important, what can the company do for battery life is one of the most intriguing things that I can't wait to see for MWC. In addition to that, obviously that variable aperture in the camera, definitely something that no other company is doing. And this is actually not the first time that Samsung is bringing this technology. So let's see how it stacks up on the S9. With f1.5 aperture moving all the way to f2.4, that's pretty much the way regular cameras work. So that would be great to see, and we can't wait to test it. But in today's question, out of all the products and everything that we've been talking about, what are you most excited about? Are you most excited about Sony, Lenovo, Samsung? Let us know in the comments, and also let us know what you would like to see as part of our coverage as well. Friends, again, thank you so much for tuning in. We've got a ton of content coming over the next few days. It's going to be kind of crazy. The hours are going to be as well. So make sure you follow us on social media and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera.
I'm Jules Wong, and with Point Jules on Twitter.
We will see you with more content very soon. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video as well.